This is a small, let's see, 2-liter capacity patent water filter. Put it in the app. Quickly open this and see. A really small package. It's really nice. The design, it's so clean. Inside here, what you need to do, the pump is already attached to it. And all you need is really connect. It comes with the filter, comes with the port, and the cable, and then you connect it on the bottom right here. So let's see. Let's see what else the box comes with. No, that's it. It has the support information, the app. You can do Android or iPhone. And then, so let's see how that works. Have the cable, just it's really long cord, and then you plug it in the USB on the bottom. You connect it here. Even had a tracer that you can put the cable so that it's stabilized, because it has, since it's water, you want to make sure that the non-slippery portion, and then immediately when you plug it in, there's already light. Trying to see if it operates this light right here. You can see the light, and then the water. So the filter, when you cover, goes through here. So the filter goes through here. You just slide it in on the lid here. Really nice, easy to clean. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can take the filter cover. Nope.